Let's locate the 371 Beacon Street Hotel. This is Boston, and now we're going to slide over into Cambridge. I'm going to zoom in to Porter Square, or actually close to Porter Square, and there's 371 Beacon. It's at the corner of Beacon and Somerville, and now we're zooming out, and you can see Porter in the upper left. Now really zooming out, this is all of Cambridge, and there's Harvard and MIT. And now let's get to the hotel. So I'm on Beacon Street, and I'm rising up. Now, by the way, Beacon runs into New Hampshire. Or is it New Hampshire runs in? Yes, that way. Okay, so I'm flying over the construction site. There's the commuter rail lines, and now I'm coming from actually Somerville Ave, and now I'm flying over the hotel from the other direction. And you can actually see me down there to the bottom right on that sidewalk. And now I'm pulling back over Beacon, and now I'm going forward Beacon towards Somerville, and Porter Square would be on the top left. I guess that'll be part of the restaurant or some sort of observation deck. I'm not sure what that will be. And now we're, where is this? This is, yeah, Somerville Avenue. No, sorry, that's Beacon. And now I'm panning, and I'm looking down, that's Beacon towards Boston. And actually Beacon will run into New Hampshire, they'll run into Kendall Square. And then on the left, there's Somerville that runs over towards the Science Museum and near Constitution Marina. Anyway, to the left of Boston. We're looking out over Somerville right here. And as we pan to the left, we're probably looking more into Cambridge or North Cambridge. Anyway, this is close to where North Cambridge and Somerville come together. And here, so this is going up Beacon, up Somerville towards Porter Square. That's the old Sears building, which is now Lesley University. So we're showing a bit of Lesley Anniversary, and on the top right you can see the Porter Square Hotel that was built recently in Porter Square. And then to the left of it, actually right behind the Sears building, is that 1638 Porter, whatever, Massachusetts Hotel. And now we're scanning back to the right from looking down towards Cambridge and Arlington or Watertown. Anyway, we're now circling back where we'll be facing Somerville now, and if we keep going, we'll be facing Boston in the distance. So we're sort of looking from Mass Ave towards the hotel. And there you see Boston in the background. And as I said, Somerville Avenue sort of goes into North Boston, and Beacon will go down towards, Kendall Square, and not South Boston, but more sorry, I don't know the exact locations. And here we're looking down the commuter rail. And here's the back of the building. Learning how to fly the drone and getting these movements smooth is certainly a challenge, and a lot of fun to try and get it right, because remember, I'm trying to go up with one joystick. I'm trying to, like as you can see there, just try and turn with the other joystick. That was a little abrupt. And then I'm actually moving the camera gimbal. So you really want to do 3 movements together to get what I feel is some nice looks. There's DC and I, and now landing the drone. Thanks for watching.